The key to hypersonic air and space travel could lie in generating a never-ending detonation that propels vehicles seamlessly into and out of the atmosphere, and scientists may have just figured out a way to make this possible. Detonations are powerful explosions that blast outwards faster than the speed of sound. That's why scientists for so long have wanted to build aircrafts that can harness these great amounts of energy. They could enable us to fly from New York to London in under an hour. However, the problem up until now has been controlling detonations and making them last more than a few microseconds. Recently, a team from the University of Central Florida set out to tackle these challenges. What we're trying to do here is control that detonation. We want to freeze it in space and harness that energy, said team researcher Kareem Ahmed. Theoretically, such an explosion could propel aircrafts up to speeds 17 times the speed of sound, which would get rid of the need to use rockets to carry aircrafts up and out of the atmosphere. To do so, the team funneled a mixture of air and hydrogen gas towards a ramp at extremely fast speeds and used a propulsion system to generate a shock wave that rapidly caused the mixture to detonate and blast exhaust gas. Ahmed and his team successfully created a detonation that lasted for 3 seconds in a fixed position, confirming that they were able to stabilize the explosion. Now, the challenge lies in figuring out how to change the airspeed, fuel mix, ramp angle while maintaining explosion stability.